Increff is a powerful software solution that promises to optimize your supply chain and inventory management. But before diving in, there are some important things you need to know. Whether you're new to Increff or considering it over its competitors, I'm here to break down 7 key points that will help you decide if it's the right fit for your business. The first thing to consider is how Increff stands out in the crowded market of inventory management solutions. Unlike other tools that offer basic tracking, Increff integrates advanced AI to help predict demand more accurately and improve your stock management. This is particularly useful for businesses looking to optimize operations across multiple channels. Unlike competitors, Increff focuses on an end-to-end solution, meaning it doesn't just manage inventory, it ensures your entire supply chain is working cohesively. Next thing to keep in mind is how Increff handles pricing. Many software solutions come with hidden costs that can balloon your expenses. Increff is relatively transparent about its pricing model, which is great for businesses that want to avoid unexpected fees. While some of its competitors charge extra for certain features, like advanced analytics, Increff offers them as part of its standard package, so you won't be caught off guard by sudden price hikes. The third thing to note is the software's ease of use. One of the common complaints about inventory management software is the steep learning curve. With Increff, the platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. This is a major selling point when compared to other systems that can be difficult to navigate, especially for smaller teams without dedicated tech support. Increff's interface is simple to understand, even for those who aren't familiar with complex supply chain processes. The fourth thing to mention is the integration capabilities. Increff integrates seamlessly with most e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Magento, and WooCommerce. This is a huge advantage over competitors that may require additional plugins or custom development work to connect with your store. If you're managing multiple sales channels, this integration is a game changer, making the process of syncing data across systems far smoother than other tools on the market. Now, let's talk about scalability. Increff is built with scalability in mind, which means it grows with your business. Whether you're a small online shop or a large enterprise, Increff adapts to your needs. This makes it a versatile option compared to other software that might offer limited scalability or require you to upgrade to a more expensive plan as your business grows. With Increff, you get a flexible solution that can handle both high volume and low volume operations efficiently. Next thing to consider is the support and customer service you'll receive. Increff has a solid reputation for offering excellent customer support, with dedicated account managers and 24/7 help. Many competitors are known for poor customer service, which can be a major headache when you run into issues. Increff makes it easy to get assistance quickly, ensuring that your operations aren't disrupted. And the final thing to keep in mind is that Increff doesn't just focus on the software, it's also about the added value through insights. With powerful analytics and reporting tools, Increff gives you a deep dive into your business performance, helping you make data-driven decisions. This isn't just about managing inventory, but optimizing your entire workflow, which sets it apart from other platforms that may offer only basic reports. If you're considering Increff and want to try it out for yourself, the best way to do that is by clicking the first link in the description below to get access to their exclusive free trial. Don't miss out on the chance to experience all of these benefits for your business.